This is Rebel Mobile Arts. I wanted to show you how we can handle glass and just the different types of glass that we're working with, what it may look like when it's finished. So there's several pieces. This one is a fused glass tree. Now if you look at the side, it has the different layers of texture from the glass. The edges are usually softened when it's fired. You can see little sprinkles of green. The green is frit. That is ground up glass, like sand, that can be added to the glass for variety. So this is kind of a contemporary tree. Next we have some kind of creature. Now this creature has shards of glass. There is stringers, and I'll show you the stringers in a moment. It is completely fused, so it is flush. That means everything is melted together. 1500 degrees for the temperature of this one. This one is about 1425 to 1450, so not a whole lot of difference. And then this one right here is a cardinal, and you can see the sky. You can see kind of a little representation of a branch, and then a few pieces that assemble together to make the body of the bird. Doesn't take much, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 red pieces to make that, with some frit on the side. So there we have the different temperatures. What you have here are shards of glass. They're cut glass, not quite as sharp as dropped glass on the floor because the edges are clean cut. They can be a little sharp still, but we do know that it's not as dangerous as dropped glass. Now, you also have ways that you can cut the glass. So I have some glass cutters that I can use, some snippers. I can use this to cut the glass. Now what I need to do is support the glass and let it fall into my hand, or I can simply take this glass cutter either in a bowl or a plate and cut it over the plate or the bowl. You never want to cut the glass in the air, otherwise these pieces will go flying to either side. What you also have, you'll find in a kit, is stringers. They're just like spaghetti. You can snap them with your finger. Just be careful. These edges can become sharp, and sometimes they do cut, so you may have to use a Band-Aid occasionally for something like that. And then you'll also find little crumbs of glass. These are great for details that you can use. And then you have several different types of these glass tiles. Maybe clear, it may be somewhat clear, blue, green, pieces where you can't see through it quite as well. So the pieces that you can see through, you can do a drawing on the paper, just like described in the kit, and then place your glass on top of that, and then you can design it how you like, spray the glass, and then move it over. Or you can just simply spray the glass and put it on top. I'll go through some of those details later. What I wanted to reinforce today was shards of glass. We have stringers, we have frit, and then we have the little crumbs, and then the two ways that we cut the glass, either in our hands or we do it over the plate. Thank you.